Welcome to our Cooking Guild review. Today, we delve into the heart of culinary craftsmanship, exploring premium kitchen tools designed to elevate your cooking experience. Join us as we uncover the essence of fine quality, innovative design, and community engagement. From hand-forged knives to meticulously crafted cookware, discover why the Cooking Guild stands as a beacon of excellence in the world of culinary arts. Let's dive in. What is Cooking Guild? The Cooking Guild epitomizes excellence in culinary craftsmanship. It is a community dedicated to sourcing and creating premium kitchen tools that elevate the cooking experience. From hand-forged knives to meticulously crafted cookware, the Cooking Guild offers nothing but the finest culinary instruments for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Five important features of Cooking Guild. Exquisite craftsmanship. Cooking Guild products boast superior craftsmanship, ensuring they meet the highest standards of quality and durability. Direct sourcing. By eliminating middlemen, Cooking Guild offers premium kitchen tools at fair prices, guaranteeing transparency and value for customers. Innovative design. Each Cooking Guild product combines functionality and aesthetics, enhancing the cooking experience for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Community engagement. Join a vibrant community of culinary enthusiasts and professionals, sharing tips, recipes, and experiences. Lifetime warranty. Cooking Guild stands by its products with a lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind and assurance of quality and durability. Why we love Cooking Guild. Exceptional craftsmanship ensures long-lasting quality. Direct sourcing offers fair prices and transparency. Innovative designs enhance cooking experiences. Engaging community fosters learning and sharing. Lifetime warranty provides peace of mind. How does Cooking Guild work? At the heart of the Cooking Guild lies a commitment to quality and tradition. Each product, meticulously crafted by skilled artisans, embodies the essence of fine craftsmanship. Through direct sourcing and meticulous attention to detail, the Cooking Guild ensures that every kitchen tool surpasses expectations in performance, durability, and aesthetics. Why should you choose Cooking Guild? Choose the Cooking Guild for unparalleled quality, craftsmanship, and innovation in kitchen tools. Experience the joy of cooking with precision-engineered knives that effortlessly glide through ingredients, making every culinary task a pleasure. Join a community that values tradition, quality, and excellence, and elevate your culinary journey with the Cooking Guild. Cooking Guild price and packages. Chef Knife Package. Experience culinary precision at a 25% discount. Our chef knife, originally $99.99, now only $74.99. Plus, enjoy free USA shipping. Chef Knife and Serbian Cleaver Package. Save big with our most popular bundle, including the Chef Knife and Serbian Cleaver. At $149.99, enjoy a 29% discount from the original $209.99 price with free USA shipping. Chef Knife, Serbian Cleaver, and Santoku Knife. Get the ultimate kitchen arsenal with our best deal bundle, Chef Knife, Serbian Cleaver, and Santoku Knife. Now just $199.99, a massive 35% discount from the original $309.85 price with free USA shipping. Cooking Guild user reviews. Additional details about this product, please visit the description link at techidevice.com. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey through the Cooking Guild review. We hope you found valuable insights into the world of premium kitchen tools and craftsmanship. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and culinary adventures. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking from the Cooking Guild.